Hello, my name is Paula Andrea Tique. I am from Colombia. I live in Guaduas. I am single. I am a student of the United Business Administration. Infographic Task 2. All days in Santa Marta. Visited to Santa Marta on my last vacation. I traveled to Santa Marta with my family. We arrived in the morning, walked at the airport and checked on reservation and the hotel. Then we went to the sea. We walked along the beach for an hour and ate at the hotel a typical meal called calle. Everything was delicious. It was very hot, but we felt friends with because more the holidays we accompany a great rest and coexistence with the family. We stayed at the Hotel Pierre for 3 days since we have to return quickly to work. It was a beautiful experience and trip. Recommendation. The climate of Santa Marta is very hot. Temperature is usually 24 and 31. 1. It is important that they use sunscreen. It is recommended people wear a hat in Santa Marta. It is essential to visit in Santa Marta. Tayrona Natural Park is tourist center and the Rodadero Museum. You will find aquatic animals. In addition, they need to be permanently hydrated. It is advisable to delay the causing of calle and unsure. Recommendation for the trip. What should people not do in Santa Marta? You should forget to buy the tickets 1 week before the trip. In luggage, you should forget to pack sunscreen. Children should forget to drink and load water. What should people do in Santa Marta? People should plan the trip by an early y recommend Avianca. People should plan the trip to Santa Marta a few months before the trip. And finally, you should plan the wear very comfortable and fresh clothes and mosquito repellent. Thank you. See you later.